LI stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. LI auto stock is nice. You know, it is $27 and it's not a volatile from at least like what I'm looking at the daily chart. You can see my previous idea, like what this meant is that I wanted to see a double break in order for me to shift. And where we're currently, just not it, man. Like it's... The only way that I would personally do if the price pulls down and gives me some sort of a shift. But without the rules being met, I'm not going to buy. I'm just being perfectly upfront and honest. So I know it's going to be like a type 1 confirmation, type 2, but I'm not going to just long, right? It's type 2, right? Because it's not a volatile. So stay tuned. And if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. My bias is bullish, but only if rules are met. See ya.